This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Bezzera BZ13, and this machine just needed a tune-up and a new combo valve. So here's the old one, and then I replaced the screen here, the gasket. As you can see, this one is was really old, so glad I replaced that. And then I deep cleaned the steam wand, descaled the boiler, back flushed the group head, and just wiped down the whole machine and cleaned it. And so I'm just going to pull it, show you guys that everything is working. This is our tabby, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine. That's why you see the shot running a little slow. There's a shot of espresso. It's a little slow, but it's just to show you that everything is working. So here's our steam. Hopefully you can see that. And then the hot water. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.